Bianca doing Bianca things, and basically this video is going to be about how I do my daily makeup when I'm going out or just want to be cute. So I got this from a beauty supply hair store, this one right here. And well, let me show you exactly what I got. And then I got this old concealer that I had for a while. I need to get me a new one. Got this from Walmart. Where did this from? A beauty supply hair store. Came with this too, the little thing at the bottom. And then I got this. Okay, I know this is for the eyebrows, but I use for my eyebrows. I use this for when I put concealer in, when I'm mixing my foundation and concealer together. I use this for everything. So I'm improvising today. So let's get the video started. This is where my phone stopped recording. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how the finished look that came out.